Americans are and should be indignant at the terrible outbreak of Jewish persecution in Germany and the drive against Christian faiths as well. It represents an outbreak of brutal intolerance which has no parallel in modern history except possibly the destruction of religious worship in Russia by the Bolsheviks.
People are talking again about a new barbarian invasion of Europe. But this time there's a difference. The original Huns had always been barbarians, but the Nazis had been born in a civilized fatherland, a glorious old Germany, rich with spiritual and intellectual traditions, full of splendid universities and fine old churches. This fact makes the recent orgy of frightfulness a thing of very deep significance. For here we see another fall from grace. Here again we see the perfect flower of pride, love of self, pushed even to contempt for God.
We have every right to expect that there will arise a popular demand in the German Reich, not only for the cessation of these brutalities, but also for the punishment of those who have wildly turned themselves into legislatures, laws, courts, judges, and juries, and have visited unmerited punishment upon the innocent. A plea for the Jew is now a moral plea for ourselves. Humanity cannot afford to be silent.